Hey there, I'm Stephanie DeMichael, and I'm a digital learning designer and instructional coach from Cleveland, Ohio. And I want to walk you through something I've created to help you do virtual station rotations with your students for distance learning. What you're seeing right now is the landing page. This is the place where you provide all of your information to students. The meeting times, what to do in the teacher-led station, what to do in the online station, what to do in the offline station, and what to do with the extension activity. Here, you're going to provide a picture of yourself and an audio recording. Here is where you'll include a translated version of your overview using Google Translate, and these are the links that will take you to the individual slides in this slide deck. Let's take a look at the first one. When you click here, you're going to link to slide 2. And this is the list of the groupings for the breakout rooms. You can choose to create separate links for each breakout room, or you can keep one link and allow kiddos to rotate in and out. In the teacher-led station, this is the information you provide students instead of sending them an email or pushing something through Google Classroom. It's one simple slide. You provide the objective standards or ICANN statements, and you also give them ideas about what they should bring to the video call. Once students are done with the video call, they move on to the next station, which is the online station. And this is where students were going to basically take what you've done in the teacher-led station or any of the other stations and do work on their own online. I always like to use Screencastify to post video instructions as well. We have visual learners. They're YouTubers, so why not include a video? Also, they do like to see your face. In the offline station, which is crucial, you're going to look for ideas where students can create, not using tech. It could be as simple as reading and writing, making. I've got some great ideas in the speaker notes, so please check those out. Finally, the extension activity is perfect for passion projects, early finishers, brain breaks, anything you want. Same thing, all you need to do right here is provide students links and information as to what they need to do. When you're ready to push this out to students, you'll want to go to File and Publish to the web. Grab that link and copy it into your learning management system, your website, anything you use to communicate with students. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You've got this, and we are better together.